So in 11th Maths 1 we are doing the fourth chapter, determinants and matrices. We are going to start with the second exercise 4.2 on page number 66 and 67. This exercise is based on the properties of determinants. In the last lecture we have seen the properties of the determinants, and now we are going to use these properties while solving the numericals of this. So let us start with the first question. Question number 1. Part 1. Without expanding, evaluate the following determinants. Without expanding, evaluate the following determinants. The first one is, that is 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. We have to evaluate this determinant without expanding. Okay. Now there are few properties that we have seen. इसमें से एक property ऐसा था कि if I perform the row transformations or column transformation, the value of the determinant remains same. और एक property ऐसा था if any two rows or columns of the determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is equal to 0. बराबर? These are the certain properties. और एक property ऐसा था if you interchange any two rows or columns, the value of determinant changes in sign only. बराबर है क्या? These are the properties. Well, if I'll say C3 here, I'll say by column 3 is equal to column 3 plus column 2. क्या मिलेगा? Column 3 में column 2 को add करिए. So what do we get there? 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, and this will be A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C है ना? And A plus B plus C. और एक प्रॉपर्टी ऐसा था, यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग कॉमन फ्रॉम एनी रो और कॉलम. तो यहाँ पर मैं बोलूँगा टेक कॉमन व्हाट एंड फ्रॉम वेयर. टेक कॉमन A plus B plus C फ्रॉम कॉलम 3. कॉलम 3 से कॉमन ले लो. क्या मिलेगा? A plus B plus C and determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. Now two columns are identical.
Yes.
So this is C1 is identical with C3, and therefore this is A plus B plus C into 0, and that is equal to 0. Any doubts about this? Is this clear? Okay. Next. 1 subpart 3. 1 में का 2 जो है, but you solve. 2 में से 2 जो है उसमें I'll give you the hint. If I take 3x common from the R3, 3x common निकालो R3 से, row 3. So what remains there?
2x.
नहीं, x is also taken out, ना?
अच्छा.
So this will become
3, 4.
2, 3, 4. Is it same as that of R1?
Yes.
It is 0. Hinted out. Okay? Take 3x common from R3.
Okay.
Question number 1, subpart 3. It says 2, 7, 65. This I will solve. 3, 8, 75. 5, 9, 86. Okay? So let's begin with this now. See, this is 65, na?
Yes.
75, very big numbers these are.
Yes.
अगर इसको मैं 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो ये कितना होगा? 63.
Yes.
Which is a close number. 9 8s are 72. 72.
Sorry.
72 plus 3 is 75.
Yes.
63 plus 2 is 65.
Yes.
81 plus 5 is 86. So what is the transformation? Looking at the elements. By C3 is equal to C3 minus 9 times C2. क्या बनेगा? इसको 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का और इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. So what do you get there? This will give me
235.
235
789.
789
235.
235.
Zero.
And therefore C1 is identical with C3 and therefore this is equal to 0. These are easy, but you have to look at this the elements and then you can decide upon them. Is this okay?
Yes.
Alright? You can take the screenshot. Okay, now we go for the next question. Prove that this is the LHS. This determinant is equal to 2 times this determinant. Okay? So look at these the determinants. So we get it as by R1, this is rho 1, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. मतलब ये इसमें ऐड करने का और ये भी इसमें ऐड करने का क्या मिलेगा? Let's start with the elements. Is equal to this plus this plus this, x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z. So y 2 times, x 2 times, z 2 times. So basically this is 2 times x plus y plus z. Same thing over here and same thing over here also. This is 2 times x plus y plus z and 2 times x plus y plus z. Right? This is z plus x, x plus y, y plus z, y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. Now what you suggest next?
Take 2 common.
2 का चला. Take everything common. Take common. No need next. What and from where? Specify. 2 times x plus y plus z.
Yes.
From where?
R1.
From R1. So this will give me 2 times x plus y plus z. हाँ. क्या बचेगा? 1 1 1.
Z plus x.
Z plus x plus y,
Y plus Z.
y plus z, y plus z, z plus x,
X plus Y.
x plus y. Right? What next? What do you suggest next? एक काम करते हैं. I don't want this now. Oh, that is a better option. I'll take only 2 common. क्या बनेगा? Take 2 common. Because we don't want this bracket, no?
Yes.
Right. X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and x plus y plus z. Next, z plus x, x plus y plus z, y plus z, z plus x, and x plus y. Now I think that will give us a breakthrough. बोलो. Now इसमें से ये माइनस करो तो क्या बचेगा? x. इसमें से ये माइनस करो तो क्या बचेगा? और इसमें से ये माइनस करो तो that's what we want. By R1 is equal to R1 minus R3. क्या मिलेगा? 2 times. बोलो. This minus this. X.
Y. Z.
Z plus x. X plus y.
Y plus Z.
Y plus z.
Y
Y
plus Z.
plus z. Z plus x. X plus y. Can you think of the next step now? I want z here. I don't want x. I want x here. I don't want y. I want y here. I don't want z. What do you suggest? R2 minus R1 by R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So this is 2 times. इसकी वजह से R2 will change. R1 will be as it is x, y, z. Z, x, y. Y plus z. Z plus x. X plus y. Now I want y here.
R3 equal to R3
Minus. Correct. The next step will be by R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. This will become 2 times x, y, z. Z, x, y. Y, z, x. And that is equal to RHS. Is this okay? Any doubts about that? Please take the screenshot. Question number 3 may come up. Using properties show that LHS this determine RHS for ABC. Now you have to expand, but at the same time you have to make use of some properties also. They don't say without expanding. You have to expand. So first of all, we have to make use of some properties. So this is AB. If I somehow get 0 here, I think that will help me for the expansion. So I'll say by, यहाँ पर भी AB है, C1, ये है C1 is equal to C1 minus C2 plus C3. मतलब इन दोनों को ऐड करो, A plus B होगा, इसमें से माइनस करो. Tell me the other elements now. So this will give me what?
0
A plus, हाँ 0 correct, 0 sorry. इन दोनों को ऐड करो,
A plus
A plus 2C और इसमें से माइनस करो. A minus A का है
2C
minus 2C.
minus 2
Similarly, if I'll add these two,
minus 2C
B और minus B का है minus 2C, correct? Okay, and this will become A plus C, C, B plus C. Agree? Now 0 से मैं कुछ भी कॉमन ले सकता हूँ. 0 into minus 2 is 0. So can I take minus 2 common from C1? Take common what? From where? Minus C1 from C1. Any doubts about that? So what do you get there? Will you give me? Follow. Minus 2 is taken out. And this will become 0.
C
मेरे ख्याल से minus 2C ही common ले लो ना.
okay
Minus 2C ही common ले लो. हाँ? So this will become 0, 1, 1. A plus C, C, B plus C. Agree?
yes
Any doubts so far?
no
Now I think I can subtract something here. इसमें से मैं कुछ subtract कर लूँ. शायद A minus B. Let's expand now. या तो फिर इन दोनों को subtract करो. By यहाँ पर 0 और 1 मिलेगा मुझे, है ना? So R2 is equal to R2 minus R3. क्या मिलेगा? Minus 2C.
0
0 A B 1 minus 1 0. This minus C A, right?
yes
And this minus this is minus B. C minus B minus C. And this is 1 C B plus C. Agree?
yeah
Any doubts? I think we can expand now.
okay
एक प्रॉपर्टी दो प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर ही है. Let's expand this now. These two zeros will of course help us. If you want one more zero, I can say R1 minus R2. तो ये zero रहेगा, ये और एक zero होगा. That will give me one more zero. So by R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. That will give you one more zero. Minus 2C, follow
0
0
0
0 B minus minus B 2B
2B
0 A minus B
1
1 C B plus C.
yes
Now I think the expansion has become easier for me.
yes
So let us expand. This is minus 2C. Bracket and bracket. 0 into anything 0. Minus 0 into anything 0. We आएगा 0 minus 0 है? Plus 2B into this product which is again 0 minus this product. which is minus a. Correct?
Yes.
So this is minus 2c into minus 2ab, and that is equal to 4abc. That is equal to RHS. Is this okay?
Yes.
Any doubts here? Take the screenshot, please. Question number 5, subpart 2. Solve the following equations. Determinant x minus 1, x minus 2, 0, x minus 2, x minus 3, 0, 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now there is one last triangle property that we have seen. Do you remember triangle property? Triangle property क्या बोलता है? Triangle property बोलता है this is ABC, 0 PQ, 0 0 x. Then what is the value of determinant? Here, this is forming a triangle, and this is the diagonal.
Yes.
If all the elements above or below the diagonal are 0, then the value of determinant is equal to something something.
Sum of diagonal.
Product of diagonals, ABX. Okay? So in this case, this is, we can make use of the triangle property. This is the diagonal, and all these three elements are 0 in the lower triangle.
Yes.
So what is that equal to? That is equal to, by triangle property I can say, by triangle property.
X minus 1.
What do you say here? This determinant is equal to x minus 1,
X minus 1 into
x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 3. That's it. That's so easy. Is this okay?
Yes.
Alright? We have to solve this equation. Question number 6 now. Let's see. कैसे करेंगे? You have to make use of the properties and solve this. Now here, I'll use the first column transformation, row transformation, by C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. इसमें ऐड कर दो, क्या मिलेगा? This plus this, 4 4 4
X ends.
12.
Yes.
One x gets cancelled, only minus
Minus
x
x.
remains. And same thing everywhere. Correct?
Yes.
This is 4 minus x, 4 plus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x, and 4 plus x is equal to 0. Now this is an equation. So इसलिए equal to 0, you have to write in every step, and therefore, now can I take this common?
Yes.
What and from where? Take common.
12 minus 6.
Common 12 minus x from
C1.
C1. So what do you get there? This will give me. Therefore 12 minus x into 1 1 1. 4 minus x, 4 plus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x, and 4 plus x is equal to 0. Any doubts so far?
No.
Now what do you do? Now we will try to get as many zeros as possible. Before expansion. So यहाँ पर मुझे 0 मिल सकता है if I subtract, और यहाँ पर भी 0 मिल सकता है if I subtract. Right?
Yes.
So by R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Correct?
Yes.
Right? ना?
हाँ.
उसी तरह से मुझे यहाँ पे भी 0 मिल सकता है. In the same step I can do R2. यहाँ पे भी अगर मैं इसमें से यहाँ पर 0 मिलेगा. R2 is equal to R2 minus R2.
R2 minus R2.
क्या मिलेगा? 12 minus x. इधर आएगा 1 minus 1 0. इधर आएगा this minus x. 4 और minus 4 cancel होगा. Minus x minus x minus 2x. Agree?
Yes.
And this totally gets cancelled. 0. Correct?
Yes.
Now 1 minus 1 is again 0. I am performing two row transformations in the same step. इनको माइनस करेंगे तो 4 और 4 चला जाएगा. x minus minus x is 2x.
Yes. 2x.
Agree? यहाँ पर जब कैंसिल हो जाएगा 4 minus x minus x is minus 2x. Okay, and this is 1 4 minus x and 4 plus x is equal to 0. So once again I can take anything common from 0. So take common यहाँ से और यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? Take common. What and from where? 2x from R1 and 2x from R2. Correct?
Yes.
तो कुल मिलाकर क्या हो जाएगा? What is this going to give me?
0.
नहीं, 12 minus x. This is into 4x square. So this becomes 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 4 minus x and 4 plus x
Yes.
is equal to 0. Agree? So this becomes 4x square into 12 minus x into 0 into anything is 0 minus minus plus
Yes.
into this product is 0
Yes.
minus this product is minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Is this okay? Plus 0 into anything is 0
Yes.
is equal to 0. So the value of determinant is only 1. 1 into 1.
Yes.
So this is 4x square into 12 minus x is equal to 0.
Yes.
या तो 4 0 है जो तो होता नहीं है. Therefore x square is equal to 0 मतलब x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 12 because 12 minus x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 12. Is this okay? So these are the values of x and this is how we solve the equation. Any doubts about that? Is that clear? Take the screenshot please. Question number 7. Without expanding the determinants, show that this is the LHS. This determinant plus 4 times this determinant is equal to this determinant. Now I asked you whether there is some magic or not. You say no. Let me explain. You see this 317 here? Oh. And over here also.
Yes.
And over here also. Yeah. 317, 317 and 317. Acha, if I take 2 common from this 2, so this will become 3, 2, 6.
3 to 6. 3
है ना?
to 6.
Yeah. 3, 2, 6 is seen here. यहाँ पर तुमको जो मिलेगा वो मिलेगा 3, 2, 6 which you see here.
And
और यहाँ पर भी है. ये मैजिक तो मुझे दिख गया. Now let's see how to make use of this. There was one property that we have seen. If it is like A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z plus L, M, N, P, Q, R and X, Y, Z. And what is that equal to? P, Q, R, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. तो ये नया डिटरमिनेंट होगा A plus L, B plus M, C plus N, P, Q, R and X, Y, Z. I hope you know this property.
Yes.
Addition property.
Yes.
तो वैसे ही कुछ मैं यूज करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे. See, what I'll do first is take common. What? 2 from where? C3 of the first determinant. क्या मिल जाएगा? 2 times बोलो.
163.
163
317.
317
And
326 plus 4 times 221 317 326. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Now if I want to make use of that property, I'll have to send this 2 inside along C1 and 4 inside along C2. तो 2 को अंदर भेज दो along C1, 4 को अंदर भेज दो along C1. क्या मिलेगा? ऐसे कॉमन ले सकते हैं, अंदर भी भेज सकते हैं.
Yes.
So this will become 2 12
12,
6 317 326 plus
8,
884 317 326. by addition property. Now I'll add this by addition property. If I'll add this, what I'll get there? Now only these elements I want to get added. है ना? ये और यहाँ पे this and this. What do you get there? 8 plus 2, 10.
Plus 2, 10.
12 plus 8, 20.
20.
6 plus 4, 10.
10.
3, 1, 7. 3, 2, 6. Now we are one step away from the RHS. What is that?
Take 10 common.
Take common. What? 10. Take common 10 from 0. क्या मिलेगा 10? क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 1, 2, 1.
Yes.
3, 1, 7. 3, 2, 6. But still it is not. So what? Follow. The first property, if I interchange rows into columns, the value of determinant remains same. By interchanging rows and columns. By interchanging rows and columns, क्या मिलेगा बताओ? 10 times 1, 3, 3, it will become a column. 2, 1, 2, it will become a column. And 1, 7, 6, it will become a column. And I think that is equal to RHS. Is this okay?
Yes.
Any doubts about that? Please take the screenshot.